Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. This is my handsome young man. Say hi.
Hello.
Alright, today we're doing some more fun, fast faces for face painting ideas. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to start with a half skull. And yeah, let's do it. I use my white star blends. And I like to just get a rough outline of their skull here. I like to use star blends because it's dry and it goes on pretty fast. Alright guys, that's your basic outline, and then we're gonna go in with the black star blends. Close your eyes. I just fill in the eye socket. Go underneath the jaw and kind of around the outside of the skull. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my wolf black and just outline. And then I like to blend that in. That was just a quick line, just go down and up. And then from here I make the top teeth connect. Go up for the teeth, like that. And for the bottom, there's this bone here. So I'm going to outline that, come up to do the bottom teeth. And then you can outline this. And up here. Then for the nose, I just do flick up like that. And then we're just going to finish off that line. Okay, and then I just add some lines and maybe a little stencil.
That's cool.
Yeah, and also really fast skull, half skull. It looks cool and the kids love it. Okay, we're gonna do a sports ball with flames. And so I decided I'm gonna do a soccer ball. Alright, so after you put down your circle with your star blends, I'm going to use my autumn arty cake and start my flames. I'm gonna take my flat brush and lay it down and just come up like that. Then I'm gonna take the dark edge, come in and up. Then make a U. I'm gonna come down and up. Down and up. And then down. Okay, and then I'm gonna fill in the center with the yellow. Alright, I'm going to come in with my wolf black and outline everything. First with the soccer ball, I'm going to make a 5-point shape. And from each point, you draw a line coming out Okay, and from that you do a little triangle at the end of each. And then we connect them. Outline your flames and make sure to leave a sharp point at the ends, at the tips. And I like to do a little U at each point. Okay. And then just outline in white. Okay, and it's just the same on the inside. And then you have your little soccer ball with flame. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do a spider with web. This one's really fast and you can use any color that the kid wants. So just ask them, what's your favorite color? And we can do this one really fast. So I'm using, okay, don't know how to say this. Taupo. And I get all my supplies from sillyfarm.com. Okay, so I start off with my color on my brush. I'm gonna go and make a curve, leaving the bottom as a point. Okay, and then I go and I turn my brush around and make the head. So this is the body of the spider and this is the head. Alright, okay, now I'm gonna take my wolf black and I'm just gonna outline the body. Like that, and the head. And then for the legs, I come out with the drag and drop technique. So drag, drop, and flick. And then I come out, drop, drop, flick, drop, flick. So drag, drop, flick. And then I do two little flicks here. That's your spider, and then you can add webs by doing teardrops coming down in different sizes, and then just connecting them with U's. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna take my white and just flick in on every leg, every joint of the leg. So just flick in on all the joints. This gives each leg a little highlight and interest. Then a little curve, and then on the web, little dots. Okay, and that's your fast, quick spider with web. Okay, now we're gonna do a dinosaur or an alligator. This could be either one. I like it, it's fast, it's around the eye, and I'm using my light leaf arty cake. Okay, so I'm gonna start up here, make the nose with a little arch, then a line, and then another arch around the eye. Living in South Florida, we got a lot of requests for alligators, and at first I didn't know what to do, and then decided to do this one. It looks really fun, and it's easy, it's fast, and it's cool. The kids love it. So you do that, and then come around the bottom. then for the body, and make an arm. Okay, I'm gonna make an eye right here. Just putting an oval shape. And I'm gonna do the teeth. Just little lines coming down and up. Okay, now I'm gonna take my black and I'm going to outline the eye and do the eye coming down. Outline the nose and make a little nostril, and then lumps and alright. Alright guys, so that's a really fast alligator, or you can make it a dinosaur, and that's it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to see some more elaborate face painting ideas, let me know and I will do it for you. And stay tuned because we have our Halloween videos coming up. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.